discuss about life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. It is also called Ross cycle because Sir Ronald Ross, a British Army doctor, he discovered oocyst stages of the Plasmodium vivax in stomach wall of female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, life cycle of the Plasmodium in mosquito is with different stages. First one is Gametogoni, next second one is fertilization, third one is formation of ookinete and oocyst, fourth one is Sporogony. In these students, firstly female gametocytes and male gametocytes which are present in the blood of the malaria patient. Female Anopheles mosquito bites the malaria patient. These are the gametocytes are enters into the gametocytes reaches into the crop of female Anopheles mosquito. It is the entire the life cycle is with in the body of female Anopheles mosquito is with gametogony and fertilization and formation of ookinete and the oocyst. Next final one is sporogony. Student, in this first about gametogony. What about the gametogony? Students, male gametocytes, male gametocyte, female gametocytes, these are enters into the lumen of the crop of female Anopheles mosquito. This is the crop, student. This is the lumen, this is the lumen of the crop of mosquito. This is the crop wall, student. This is the crop wall, inner part of the crop wall. Okay. Student, first one about the formation of the gametes. Formation of the gametes is called gametogony. This about the formation of the male gametes from the male gametocyte. Okay, male gametocytes forms the male gamete. In this, first one nucleus present in the male gametocyte that goes to the division and forms the 8 daughter nuclei which are reaches to the peripheral part. Okay, reaches to periphery. And cytoplasm also pushes out in form of the flagella like process. Okay, and students, each one of the flagella like process combines with the single nucleus. Okay, and also leaves the gametocyte by the showing of the lashing movement like a flagella and forms the male gametes. Student, each one is forms the one of the male gamete. These are male gametes, student. This is the process leaving of the each flagella like process from the male gametocyte is called exflagellation. Okay. Next, under female gamete, some amount of the few changes occurs in the female gametocyte and cytoplasm is also within inner part and one of the nucleus. Female gametocyte is with the single nucleus and the cytoplasm. Student, in this nucleus of the female gametocytes reaches periphery. Okay, that is the process is called maturation. Nucleus of the female gamete moves to the periphery and at point cytoplasm nucleus reaches to the peripheral part. At that point cytoplasm is also reaches and appear like a projection at that region. That entire is called fertilization cone. Okay, student, fertilization cone is also shows by the female gamete. Entire the process which is shows by the female gametocyte, now it is called female gamete. Okay, both are male and the female gametes are formed in the gametogony. Next, student, and the fertilization takes place between the male and the female gamete. It is also occurs in the lumen of the crop of female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, in this process, student, pronucleus cytoplasm of the two gametes pronuclear cytoplasm of two gametes fuse with each other and form the synchorion. It is the synchorion is present in the female gamete. Okay, student. Next, it is both of the gametes are dissimilar in size. Both of the gametes which are fused with each other, male and the female gametes are dissimilar in size and the shape. Okay, these both are dissimilar in size and the shape. This is the female gamete, this is the male gamete. Both are dissimilar in size and the shape. This type of the syngamy in the protozoans, in the gametes, between two gametes, that is called anisogamy. Okay, student. And student, female gamete is with the synchorion, that is called female gamete. This is the female gamete is with the combination of the two nuclei, that is called synchorion. That is now called zygote. Zygote is circular in shape. Okay, and non-motile, movement is not possible by the zygote. Okay, student. Next, this is goes to the formation of the vermicule or ookinete. What about the formation of the ookinete and the oocyst? Student, zygote is round, non-motile. Now it is present in the lumen of the crop of mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito, and this is changes into long, slender and vermiform. Long, slender, vermiform like structure, motile structure, that is called vermicule or ookinete. This pierces the wall of the crop wall of the mosquito and enters beneath the basement membrane, settles beneath the basement membrane. Okay, student. Another, student, it is transform into zygote to transform into ookinete or vermicule within 18 to 24 hours. Okay. Next, and the pierce the wall of the crop, settles beneath the basement membrane and comes around its shape. Student, its surface and comes into circular shape, and around its surface cyst wall also forms. Now it is called oocyst. Okay. Next, student, surface of the oocyst, cyst wall also forms. Now it is called oocyst. Okay. Next, and the sporogony. What about the sporogony? It is the final stage in the life cycle of the Plasmodium vivax in female Anopheles mosquito. Student, what about the sporogony? Formation of the sporozoites from the oocyst. Okay, oocyst goes to the production of the sporozoites. That entire the process is called sporogony. Student, in the sporogony, first one, oocyst is with the nucleus. Oocyst is with the single nucleus. According to Bono scientists, that is the nucleus is present in the oocyst, that goes to the reduction division firstly, and it follows the many mitotic divisions and more number of the daughter nuclei is formed. Okay, daughter nuclei present in the oocyst. Nucleus of the oocyst first goes to reduction division after many mitotic divisions and forms the sporoblast. Student, these are the develops into the each one of the nuclei with a small amount of the cytoplasm develops into sporoblast, and formation develops into formation of the sporoblast in the inner part of the oocyst. Student, another, after many mitotic divisions forms the sporoblast. Okay, these are the nuclei goes to many mitotic division and forms the sporoblast in the inner part of the oocyst. Next, nucleus of the sporoblast. Each one of the sporoblast is with the nucleus. Nucleus of the sporoblast. Student, nucleus of the sporoblast divides and forms the more nuclei. more nuclei, and each one of the nucleus surrounds with a small bit of the cytoplasm and develops into the sporogytes. Now it is the oocyst is with the sporogytes. Now it is called sporocyst. Now when the oocyst is with the sporogytes, these are the sporogytes. Student, Sporoblast is with the nucleus. Nucleus goes to many mitotic divisions and forms the more number of the nuclei. Each one of the nucleus combines with small bit of the cytoplasm and forms the many sporogytes. Now it is the oocyst is with the sporogytes is called sporocyst. Okay, it is the sporocyst. Is with the membrane of the cyst wall of the sporocyst is ruptured, and much amount of the sporogytes, approximately 10,000 sporogytes are liberated into the hemocoel of the body cavity, is totally called hemocoel. Okay, these are the 10,000 sporogytes are liberated into the hemocoel of the female Anopheles mosquito, and students, from there it reaches into the salivary glands of the female Anopheles mosquito and ready to enters into the man to complete its asexual life cycle. And entire the life cycle in the female Anopheles mosquito, it is the sexual life cycle completed in 10 to 24 days. It is the entire sexual life cycle in female Anopheles mosquito is completed in 10 to 24 days. Okay, student?